Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I found the most beautiful and durable shower caddy and I wanted to tell you all about it. This shower caddy keeps everything organized and in its place. It was very easy to hang. It's got this nice plastic piece on it that gives it some friction and also protects scratching on your shower head. It comes with 3 shelves to help keep your shower very organized, and they were very easy to take on and off. They are simply hooks that fit into the holes there, so you can organize it however you would like, and then you are ready to go and put everything on there. So look at all of the items that I could fit. I have a teenage daughter. She's got lots of stuff for her shower and for her beauty regimen, and everything fits nicely on these hooks provided and on the shelves. It also holds a lot of weight, which I was very happy about. She can fit all of her products on here and nothing's going to get damaged, and it's not going to weigh it down or break. So if you're looking for a way to keep your shower organized and beautiful, then look no further.
And that's my point of view.